wanted to get hold of these Galaxy M device is finally over. Just a little bit of backtrack actually. When we teased about Galaxy M series over our social media pages, we were actually quite surprised and overwhelmed. You know, out of their curiosity, their speculation and everything. They were asking, when will it be launched? Conversing about the specifications and where can they buy it? And I think this is the best avenue for us to confirm all these speculation and theories from our customers and from you, our dear media friends.
For the introduction, good afternoon everyone. Samsung is proud to introduce to you the Galaxy M20. It features a 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging, wide-angle dual camera, and an Infinity V display, the details of which we shall be delving into. The Galaxy M20 features a 5,000 mAh battery, which eliminates the need for a heavy battery pack. It gives you up to 29 hours of talk time, up to 17 hours of video playback time, or up to 101 hours of audio playback time. With this, you are assured that the Galaxy M20 will be your companion from day to night. The Galaxy M20 also has a fast charging capacity with its 15-watt charger. So it helps you to make the most out of your day. It helps you make the most out of your day with only 145 minutes to fully charge your device. With just 10 minutes, if you run out of battery, you can get up to 3 hours and 20 minutes of talk time, up to 3 hours of video playback time, or up to 11 hours of audio playback time. The Galaxy M20 also features a dual camera. Its 13-megapixel main camera allows you to capture clear and bright photos, while its 5-megapixel wide-angle camera allows you to take wider photos. It allows you to capture and share the world you see without restriction, as it goes beyond the usual 76-degree angle photos and resembles actual human sight at 120 degrees. With this, you can capture what your eyes truly see. On the other hand, the main camera has a face detection autofocus, which allows for quick and accurate focusing by detecting each frame. This is most useful for fast-changing subjects and rapid scene changes. It also has a bokeh effect, which allows you to take gorgeous portrait shots by blurring your background. It also allows you to get imaginative and express the real you, as you can add some creative flair and add a dash of fun to your photos with AR stickers, stamps, and filters. The Galaxy M20 introduces you to an expansive view with its Infinity V display. Its 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display extends from edge to edge, allowing you a more immersive experience. It has a screen-to-window ratio of 90% and a bezel-less display with a ratio of 19:9. With its maximized screen size, it's ideal for gaming, browsing, multitasking, watching videos, and more. It also has a dedicated user experience with which visual cues will be shown upon the usage of the face unlock and the selfie timer. The Galaxy M20 simplifies mobile access with security you can trust. With face recognition, only you can access your personal data and you're ensured that it doesn't fall into the wrong hands. It also has a fingerprint scanner with which you can access apps and websites for seamless multitasking. The Galaxy M20 will be available at 10,990 pesos via Samsung official online stores in colors charcoal black and ocean blue. It has a processor of octa-core 1.8 GHz, RAM or random access memory of 3 GB, and an internal memory of 32 GB. For launch month, Galaxy M20 users should also expect exciting treats via Samsung members. They will be having Globe Digital Load Card worth 150 pesos, Garena Gaming Pin where you can use on League of Legends and other games worth 100 pesos, Razer Pin which you can use on Mobile Legends, Ragnarok Mobile, and other games worth 100 pesos, totaling to 350 pesos. Again, this is the Galaxy M20 and we hope that you are excited as we are to launch this model. Thank you and good afternoon.